Okay, here we go. Pull this out. Oh, there's something going on here. Okay. Now we're gonna cycle the key on accessory position. All right. Press this one down here and then pull it out. There you go. Then unplug it over here. Ooh. Okay. Here's the part number, guys. It's right there. Okay, so put this guy back to the accessory so we can able to press this locking pin right here. This is all the reason why we are installing this protector, to protect this guy right here so they cannot able to undo this one. There we go. Then we're gonna plug this back. Okay. And here we go. This guy's gonna go this way. Sweet. Then we're gonna go ahead and add more JB weld on this one. Okay. And it's gonna go this way. There we go. Here's this guy to put this in. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and tighten them until they break. Yeah, it does that. There we go. The other one did it, but this one is a stubborn. I'm going to use my vice grip, lock it in place, and tighten it until this guy's gonna break soon. There you go. Okay. Okay, now we are ready to put this thing back. Okay. There we go. Line this up and then press it in. There we go. Sweet. Yeah, hang tight, buddy. Okay, and this one, I can't really see. Just gonna go ahead and do it first by hand. There we go. Now, speed it up with this tool. There we go. Sweet. Awesome. All right, I don't need to worry about this. They got one already. Thank you guys.